Hi. Welcome to the adventures of Bethany and Nancy go to Burger King during blizzard of 2007 in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Here we go.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening?
The first thing you have to do is find your car. If you don't have a button that automatically unlocks and locks your car, it's harder to find. But let's take a scan. Which car is mine? Which car is mine? Let's look for a light. Oh, we have a wigger. It looks like a completely different car. Oh, look over there.
Look at that. It's like hanging off the car. It's frozen. There's Nancy's car. It looks like a Lamborghini.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Are you sure you want to do this?
I don't know. It's Arctic weather out here.
Make up your mind.
Huh?
Make up your mind.
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Want me to just make you something?
I feel bad. No, it's hanging off. Separated.
Look. Looks like it broke. A lot of snow. This is what you call blizzard snow. Snow on your car when you're trying to start it. That's a lot of freaking snow. I got it all over my cars. Here's my tires. Oh, look at that. There it is.
I'm gonna get hypothermia. This is my first case of hypothermia.
I'm gonna get hypothermia soon. I give up.
Are you done?
Yes. This is back in my car. I don't care.
Don't fear, I have two persons on camera.
Do you have the key?
You.
Hold on.
You.
Wonderland, winter wonderland, wonderland. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening.